In this video, we will show how to find the slope of an x versus t graph. Here's a graph showing position x as a function of time t. What is the slope of the line? Let's look at the theory. The slope of an x versus t graph is defined as the change in x divided by the change in t. In other words, the slope is the average velocity, v bar. Remember that, in calculating the change delta, we always use final value minus initial value. To find the slope, we can pick two convenient points on the line. We choose point P, corresponding to a time of 0 seconds and a displacement of 400 meters, and point Q, corresponding to a time of 4 seconds and a displacement of 800 meters. The interval of time, delta t, is represented by the arrow that connects the initial and final values of time. In the same way, the displacement, delta x, is represented by the arrow that connects the initial and final values of displacement. We substitute these values into the equation. The initial value of the time is 0 seconds, and the initial value of the displacement is 400 meters. The final value of the time is 4 seconds, and the final value of the displacement is 800 meters. Calculating the difference in position and time, we find that the slope of an x versus t, namely the average velocity, is 100 meters per second. This concludes the example. Thanks for watching.